What is your name? Brother, yeah, with the turban. What is your name? Balinder Singh. The fight is about whether he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear his turban in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear a kada in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be able to go to Gurdwara. That's what the fight is about. And not just for him. For all religions. Fight is also about, I can see here in the crowd, people from Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana. I can see all these people. Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Right? So now, see, when I say Kerala, now, see, I've been a member of parliament for Kerala. So when I say Kerala, first Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh now. So first when you don't understand these things, you say Kerala is just a simple word. Or you say Punjab, a simple word. But these are not simple words. This is your history, your language, your tradition, your entire imagination is in these words. And what the RSS is basically saying is that certain states are inferior to other states, certain languages are inferior to other languages, certain religions are inferior to other religions, certain communities are inferior to other communities. This is what the fight is about. We are of the opinion that whether you are from Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, all of you have your history, all of you have your tradition, all of you have your language, and every single one of them is as important as any other one. So how can you, the people from Tamil Nadu who are sitting here, what would you do if somebody told you cannot speak Tamil? How would you feel? How would you react? That is the ideology of the RSS. That Tamil, Marathi, Bengali, Manipuri, these are all inferior languages. That's what the fight is about. It ends up in the polling booth. It ends up in Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha. But the fight is about what type of India we are going to have. Are we going to have an India where people are allowed to believe what they want to believe? People are allowed to respect what they want to respect, say what they want to say, listen to what they want to hear? Or are we going to have an India where only few limited people can decide what is going to happen? And the problem is these people don't understand India. वो समझ ही नहीं आती उनको. ये है क्या? इसकी हिस्ट्री क्या है? उनको मालूम ही नहीं है. It's like you imagine, जैसे यहाँ पे अब आप डिनर खाएंगे, यहाँ पे आपको 3 कोर्स 4 कोर्स मील मिलता है ना. पहले शुरू फर्स्ट कोर्स होता है, फिर मेन कोर्स आता है, फिर डिजर्ट आती है. होता है ना. इंडिया में कोई फर्स्ट कोर्स, सेकंड कोर्स, थर्ड कोर्स होता है? एक थाली मिलती है, सब कुछ उसके अंदर होता है. सही बात है ना. अब थाली में सब कुछ मिल जाता है, सब्जी, दाल, चावल सब मिल जाता है. मिलता नहीं मिलता है? वो स्वीट डिश भी उसी थाली में मिलता है? नहीं मिलता ना. तो इंडिया का नेचर ये है, सब कुछ एक साथ चलता है. अब अगर कोई आदमी थाली के सामने बैठ जाए और कहे भैया चावल दाल से ज्यादा जरूरी है और सब्जी की रैंकिंग सबसे नीचे है, तो क्या होगा? यही बीजेपी के लोग करते हैं। मतलब इनको समझ नहीं आती कि ये देश सबका है, ये देश मिलकर बना है। इसको इंडिया इज कॉल्ड यूनियन ऑफ स्टेट्स। In the constitution it's written clearly, India that is Bharat is a union of states. What does it mean? It means it's a union of languages, it's a union of traditions, union of histories, union of music, of dance. वो कहते नहीं, यूनियन नहीं है, ये सब अलग अलग हैं। और इन सब में से एक सबसे जरूरी है, एक सोच सबसे जरूरी है, उसका हेडक्वार्टर नागपुर में है, बाकी सबका कुछ लेना देना नहीं है। तो दैट इज व्हाट द फाइट इज अबाउट, एंड यू आर ambassadors. I said yesterday in my speech, you have come from one union of states and you've come to another union of states. United States is also called the United States because it's a union of states. And you are our ambassadors. You're the bridge between these two great unions of states. And you make us very proud because we understand what it meant for you to come here. We understand the difficulties, the struggles that you have had to deal with. It's not easy. But when you came here, you came with humility, you came with respect, and you came with affection. You didn't come here and say, oh, you know, we're going to the United States and the United States is inferior to us. You didn't say, no, we're going to the United States, but we hate the United States. You became part of the United States. I'm sure you're proud of India and you're proud of the fact that you live in America. अब बीजेपी के सिस्टम में आपकी दो आइडेंटिटीज हो ही नहीं सकती. You cannot be Indian and at the same time be American. That is what the fight is about. And that is what we are trying to do in India. We are saying, look, don't spread hatred, spread love. Don't be arrogant, be humble. Don't disrespect people. Respect people, respect traditions, respect religions, respect languages, respect communities, that's all.